What's going on, guys? Today's project, we're going to be fixing up another bad repair. So let's have a look and see what we've got. Alright guys, now we're going to start the breakdown process on these poor looking shoes. So first off, we're just going to be removing what the previous repair has done. Old soles are coming off, old heel tops are coming off as well. Let's get to it. Alright, so one of the main issues we've got here is the part of the sole that blends down here has really not been blended very well. It's quite a big lip there, so what we're just going to be doing is ripping this old sole off, and we're going to just tidy up that join there. And I'll show you guys sort of how I approach getting a nicer, smoother finish on that area. So a little bit of inspection after removing that sole. The part at the side that wasn't joining very well, previous repairer has just stuck on some super glue, which is probably one of the worst things you could do. So we're just going to have to clean up this area, clean up all the glues that are on the top here, and then we'll get it prepared for the new soles. So as you can see here, I've got the new sole. This is straight from the factory. We line that up and pop that on now. We still have that quite big lip. So we're going to have to use the machine, and we're just going to skive this all at the edge until we get a nice smooth fit between the leather sole and the new sole. Let's do it. So for the leather top lift, I'm just going to add a little bit of brown dye to this, so it kind of matches the original leather that's still on the soles there. So we'll do a couple of coats of this, and then we'll put on some Saphir cream and see how that comes out. So that's our edges all nice and sanded and ready for some colour. So we're just going to put a little bit of this brown ink stain on the side. And then we're just going to run that through the brushes, and then we'll pop on some Saphir dark brown cream just on top. And that should give us the desired look we're after and a nice shine. So we're just going to put in what's called a little gentleman's notch. Now this is a little tiny wee piece of leather cut out on the corner here. This dates back to the 50s and 60s, I think, when the people would wear long trousers and their trousers would get caught on here. So we just shave off a little bit on here, and it's become a kind of trademark in the shoe repair industry. So let's get one done. Alright guys, so thank you so much for checking these videos out. You guys are legends, each and every one of you. Mad respect for you. My name's Cobbler G. I'm doing new videos all the time. Don't forget to hit that subscribe, drop me a like, and hit me up a comment below and let me know what you think about the finished results. Until the next one, I've been Cobbler G. You've been legends. Peace.